Now that we've played with those symbols a little bit more, you'll notice that I have the two names here, and we can add, of course, any other things that we might want to use. One of the things that I want to point out is the Adjust Color filter. If I choose Adjust Color, you'll see that I can change things like brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation, which is really quite nice. And one of the things that's different about this one versus the color effect one is that it applies differently to the strokes and the fills. So you often get, when you're using the hue and saturation sliders here, you often get the ability to still see the stroke even though you are changing your color pretty drastically with this filter. So that can be kind of nice, and you can really see some different effects with that. Now, when you are done creating your different setup for glow, adjust filters, or just color and any of the other filters, you can actually save these as presets that you can use later. Go down to the next box over next to Add. You'll see Presets, and you'll see right now we don't have any, but the option there is to save as. So we can give this a name. This will be Glow, Adjust Color, and Drop Shadow. Oh, I guess it doesn't like that. So we'll do Glow, Adjust, and Drop 1. Now if I go to another one and apply a different filter, I'm going to change this to 0, change that to medium, and I might change that to 20 pixels. I'm going to go ahead and save this as 20 pixel, 20 pix shadow. Now, if I want to be able to apply one of these presets, I can go to an object, I can delete all the different settings that are there, and then use one of the existing presets. It's pretty easy. Now, I'm not sure whether or not it will just change the settings or maybe add to them. But you can easily see that I can go between the presets, which is kind of nice. Now, you can also copy and paste presets from, or copy and paste settings from one object to another. Select an object, go to the clipboard, choose Copy All, go to the next object or symbol, and choose Paste. And you'll see that we can paste those symbols instead of having to use a preset. So this is it's pretty easy to move around your different filter effects and even create your own presets so that you have things like drop shadows or glows that you might use typically in certain files, so you can actually use them in other files, because the next time that you open up Flash, let's create a new Flash application. If I have a symbol here, I'm going to just create a very quick one by dragging that selected object to the library. I'm not even going to worry about naming it. If I go back to my properties, go to my filters, and you'll see that the 20 pix shadow and the glow and the adjust color is also available in that file. So that's one of the nice things about presets, is they are available between your files. Now, the last thing that I'd like you to do with this particular file is to create more instances of your symbols so that you have at least 10 instances or so. And with this 10 instances, I'd like you to play around with your transform and your different properties. So with the top 5, let's go ahead and use only color effects. With the bottom 5, let's use the filters and a combination of display, if you like, so that we have a lot of different looks that you can create using these different filters and color effects. And when you're done, go ahead and save your work. You should have about 10 symbols completed when you're finished. Thanks.